Um, in this session, what exactly we are going to learn is like when you go to the transform data, okay, when you are trying to edit your data by using Power Query editor, what we used to do, we used to go to transform data. We used to like sometimes we used to use this add columns, okay, extract left side, right side, okay, after delimiter, before delimiter, or transform data, right? These things we used to do like length of this one. We used to extract the number of characters, right? These things we used to do by using those columns. For example, any of the column you can select, like this product code column. I just want to extract the left side 3 or the right side 4. We used to use this extract data, and we used to do that one. We know this one before. But how can I do this one by using a DAX function we are going to learn here. If I go back here, like in a visuals, I am in the left hand side. The second one is a data side we have. So we'll select that sample data. Okay, the sample data table. In that, we can create a new measures here, like a new measures we can create or new column we can create. So I just want to create a new column here. Okay, that left hand side or right hand side to be extracted. So I select a new column. Okay, when I say new column here, we need to use some formulas. Okay, so I just say left. Okay, left. What exactly we can use a formula here? We can use a formula called as a left. Okay, left. The text from which text we have to take means return the specified number of characters. Okay, from that text of the string. So in a sales data, which one we have been thought of? The we thought of, right? Just a second. Um, the product code, right? So I just say code here, so that product code will show. Okay, this is the product code we have. Okay, product code. In that product code, what we have to take number of characters. Means left side, how many characters? I take 3 characters. Okay, and I will close the bracket, enter, so that it has to create one column. Yes, the left side 3 character will be extracted. Okay, similarly I just want to rename it as a right. Okay, right, and I will take a right side like 4 character to be taken. So we can take a right formula, and I just say instead of 3. Okay, I need a, sometimes it will take quickly. Okay, 4, enter. So right side 4 character we can separate. Like this means left and right. This formula, based on formulas also we can use it. Okay. Sometimes it can be used in a filter also. Right. We can use it in a filter also, not to create only column. We can use it in some calculated filter also. I just want to filter first. Okay, means I just want to extract first right side of the data, then I would like to compare that one. Okay, those times it will be useful, this left and right uh, functions. Okay, so similarly you have this in Excel also, left formula, right formula. The working principle is same. We are selecting a column and how many character left side or right side to be extracted. Okay, this is about a left or right function. Very simple.